Hi, my name is Cheyenne Young. I'm a freshman at the University of Kentucky, majoring in animal science, and I'm representing the Seneca FFA chapter in Kentucky. For my SAE, I worked at VCA Fairleigh Animal Hospital in Louisville, Kentucky. I worked as a vet assistant there, so I would assist the veterinarians and the vet techs in any way needed, whether that was in the treatment room or in the back during surgery. And I would also care for the dogs, walking them, cleaning their cages, and making sure that they were comfortable. Some of the beginning steps for this SAE was I fostered dogs for 2 rescues. I'm a Boston Terrier rescue and a Shih Tzu rescue, so that gave me a lot of experience with handling animals and knowing how to care for animals. And I knew I had always wanted to get experience in a vet office. I just wasn't sure how I was going to go about it since I was a high school student at the time and was 17 at the time and usually cannot work in a vet's office at that young of an age. Being in agriculture classes in FFA helped me get this job where I am now. Some challenges I definitely faced was not knowing what to expect. I had never worked in a vet's office before, and every vet's office runs differently. And so coming in, I had to learn how they did everything. But once I got into a routine and had a specific schedule and started to learn more things, it definitely became a whole lot easier, and I became like a bit more independent and was able to do these things on my own. My mom has definitely helped me with my SAE, and then as well as my FFA advisors, Miss Wright and Miss Mattingly. They were always there to continue to push me to increase my SAE, make it better, and to go for it and try new things. Other students should join FFA because it gives you so many opportunities inside the classroom and outside. I was able to get this job because I was in FFA, and it taught me leadership skills, responsibility, organization skills, time management, speaking skills. It taught me so many things. So without FFA, I wouldn't be the person I was today.